How often should you replace your AC filters? Wondering why your AC isn't keeping your home as cool as it used to? The culprit could be a dirty air filter. In Florida's hot and humid climate, your AC works overtime, and keeping the filter clean is crucial. But how often should you replace it? For most homes and businesses in Cape Coral, it's recommended that you change your AC filters every month. A clean filter not only ensures better airflow, but also keeps your system running efficiently, saving you money on energy bills. Neglecting to change your filters can lead to reduced cooling performance, higher energy costs, and system breakdowns. At Florida Cooling Solutions, we're here to help you stay comfortable all year round. Need help with your AC maintenance tasks? Contact us today at 239-323-6524 and let our team ensure your system is running at its best.